According to the always reliable source of Wikipedia, modding refers to the modification of hardware, software, or anything else to perform a function not originally intended by the designer. In the case of Minecraft, we will be referring specifically to the software part of that. I started using mods as soon as I managed to obtain a copy of Minecraft Java. In fact, it's one of the primary reasons I got Java. Bedrock simply didn't have the customization I wanted. When I first started trying to mod, the only loader, I'll get to those in a little bit, that I knew about was Forge, but that was only through one of my friends. As a newcomer, I struggled for ages to download and install Forge onto the launcher, and it didn't help there were no good tutorials online. This is what I aim to provide today, many years later. Before we get into any sort of modding, you need to download a loader. It's up to you which one you use, and I'll probably make a video comparing them at a later date, but overall the process is very similar. I'll go through the download process for both Forge and Fabric now. Head to the Forge website linked in the description and select the Minecraft version you plan on using. I will be using 1.20.2, but the process is the same for any version. Next, you want to press the big installer button under latest, and once the timer is counted down, press skip in the top right corner. Save the installer.jar to the folder of your choice, pressing keep if prompted by your browser. You will then run the installer by double clicking the file. You may need administrator permissions for this. And check that client is selected and the file path is correct. It should lead you to a .minecraft folder under your name. You can then hit OK. It will take a bit of time depending on the speed of your system to finish the download process, but once it is finished, you can safely hit OK on the window that pops up, and Forge is now installed. You can check this by opening the Minecraft launcher and looking for Forge, either in the pop-up menu in the bottom left or in the Installations tab. Once that installation is selected, you can hit play, and Minecraft should load saying Forge in the bottom right corner. You can close Minecraft and the Forge installation has successfully been completed. Fabric is another loader you can use. To install it, head to the Fabric website linked in the description and choose a download option based on your operating system. If you're unsure about whether you are running Windows or not, just use the .jar installation. Save the file to a folder of your choosing, pressing keep if prompted by the browser. Run the file by double clicking it. You may need administrator permissions for this. And a window like this should show up. Select the Minecraft version you plan on using and hit install, checking the file path is correct. It should be a .minecraft folder. And create profile is checked. After successful install, you can close the window and open the Minecraft launcher. Fabric should show up in the pop-up menu in the bottom left or in the Installations tab. With that installation selected, you can hit play and launch Minecraft. On launch, it should say Fabric in the bottom left corner. You can safely close Minecraft and the Fabric installation is complete. Now we get to the fun part, actually installing mods. There are only two places on the internet that I trust to provide mods, and that is CurseForge and Modrinth, both linked in the description. Both websites work in similar ways, so I'll be using Modrinth throughout this video as it has a cleaner experience. Once you open the Modrinth link, you will be faced with a nice list of mods in the middle and filters in the sidebar. The first thing I recommend doing is with the filters. Firstly, select the loader that you are using, then select the version of Minecraft you're using. This will filter the mod so that only mods compatible with your version and loader are displayed. A Forge mod will not work on the Fabric loader and vice versa. Same applies to versions. You can use the search bar at the top if you are looking for something specific, or just browse through the pages, applying filters as you need them. If you find a mod that you like the look of, you can click it and open its download page. For this example, I'll be downloading the Fabric API, as this is needed for most Fabric mods. I will navigate to the Versions tab and filter by the version I'm using. Before downloading the mod, I'll reopen the Minecraft launcher and head to the Installations tab. Hovering over any installation, I can click the folder icon to open the .minecraft folder. Open the mods folder and copy the file path from your directory bar. After heading back to Modrinth, hit the green download icon beside the file you want to download and paste the file path into the directory box at the top of the save window. This means the mod will already be in your mods folder. After this, you can relaunch the game and press the mods button to check that it is registered. On Fabric, you will also have to download the mod menu mod. If you can see the name of the mod you just downloaded in that menu, the mod should be working. You have just installed your first mod.
Yay!
There are some common issues that happen when installing mods, so I will cover some of them here. Sometimes, after installing a mod, the game will not launch due to a variety of reasons. The first possible reason I will cover is versions. On the first unsuccessful attempt at a launch, check that the mod you downloaded is for the correct version of Minecraft and/or Loader. If it is not, download the correct version and launch. If it is, move on to the next possible issue. The next issue that could be creating problems is something called dependencies. Some mods require other mods to be installed in order to work properly. For example, the Fabric API is a dependency of mod menu. Without the Fabric API, mod menu cannot function and will therefore cause a crash. Check on the download site for any dependencies that the mod has. On Modrinth, it will be in the description of the mod, and on CurseForge is under the Relations tab. Finally, there are some incompatibilities between some mods. These issues are often the hardest to fix, as it requires looking through the logs and trying to work out the issue. Often, the simplest way to go about it is to move the most likely mods to be causing an incompatibility error into another folder until the game launches. You can then replace the mods you took out until it stops working again. The mod that breaks it will be the incompatibility, and you cannot run Minecraft with both mods installed at the same time. I hope this has been an easy, clear introduction to modding and that you enjoyed it. Please help grow my channel by liking the video and subscribing if you feel like it. You can also leave a comment for any improvements you think I should make.